Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel and review this new launching product, DropResponse. Meet DropResponse, create email marketing, automation and auto responder and landing page and forms etc. Start 7 days tutorial for $1. Now let's see this video, and this video is product information. The new digital marketing software for beginner to grow audition faster and drive more revenue. Now let's see this email campaign. Create a dynamic email in minutes with a drag and drop email editor. Send targeted email. Automatic send email based on special effect search and link and completing from design page, design drag drop and block it or created page locate, engage, contract and turn visitor into customer and enhancer with customer code. Create searching landing page. Grow your business with customer export or experience automation. The email marketing automation and landing page builder, and in you create the indicatable customer experience. Got everything you need to make the path and success in business. Email marketing automation builder pop up from landing page otherwise. We believe this future and belong to marketer. Start marketing with DropResponse and build your audition with DropResponse, or build them from your create platform. An email marketing and automatic tool that's delivers. Here is exactly what you get inside and DropResponse. We DropResponse account is packed with must cutting and EDG marketing and future to take full advertising for your business. Full cold hosted, full automation, unlimited list and brand from and easy to enable from builder and drag drop file, add image and video and lead generation tool. Our beta member now Hanna Radyk. DropResponse is incredible user and flighty. It is its intuitive and interface make it easy to integrate and access all the feature and functionalities. Where are the setting up campaign, creating automation and workflow and design landing page and other ways. DropResponse has everything you need. The email marketing platform. Now let's say this professionalized email marketer automation with premium benefits like improve email delivery, send email from anywhere at time, get your email, keep contract and tracking your email. You can interested by this product, check my video description and use my description affiliate link, or subscribe my YouTube channel and like, comment or press the bell icon.